Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
The holiday season is upon us, and there's no better way to celebrate than by transforming your home into a warm and elegant haven. At the heart of your living room sits a blank canvas waiting for festive magic, your coffee table. This small yet impactful space offers the perfect opportunity to showcase your holiday spirit in a refined and stylish way. Whether you're hosting friends, family, or simply enjoying a quiet evening with a cup of cocoa, a beautifully decorated coffee table sets the tone for cozy gatherings and adds a touch of Christmas charm. Let's explore timeless ideas to elevate your coffee table decor, blending elegance with the festive sparkle that makes this season truly enchanting. By the end of this video, you'll have the inspiration you need to turn your living room centerpiece into a Christmas masterpiece. Start by choosing a color palette that exudes sophistication. Classic combinations like gold and white, silver and emerald green, or burgundy and champagne are perfect for an elegant Christmas vibe. Use this palette as the foundation for your decor, ensuring a cohesive and polished look. A layered approach is key to creating an inviting coffee table. Begin with a luxurious base, such as a velvet or faux fur runner, to add texture and warmth. Next, incorporate a mix of elements that represent the season. A tall, sleek vase filled with fresh pine branches or twigs sprayed with metallic paint introduces height and a natural touch. Pair it with a smaller, shimmering centerpiece like a glass bowl of ornaments in your chosen palette. Candles are a must-have for setting the holiday mood. Opt for elegant taper candles in chic holders or cluster pillar candles of varying heights on a decorative tray. The soft glow will create an intimate ambience perfect for winter evenings. If you're loving these ideas and can't wait to start decorating, make sure you're subscribed to our channel for even more festive inspiration. Hit that like button if you're feeling the holiday spirit, and let us know in the comments which decor element you're most excited to try this Christmas. Your support means so much and helps us bring you the best tips for creating a beautiful home this season. Add a personal touch by incorporating small, meaningful accents. Miniature nutcrackers, a stack of beautiful Christmas-themed books, or a festive photo frame can tell your story while complementing the overall aesthetic. Don't forget to sprinkle in a touch of sparkle. Think glittering garlands, delicate fairy lights, or metallic accents that catch the eye. When arranging your coffee table, remember the rule of thirds to maintain visual balance. Group items in odd numbers, mixing sizes and shapes to create interest. Keep practicalities in mind, leaving enough space for guests to place their mugs or small snacks. Finally, step back and assess your creation. Adjust as needed to achieve harmony and elegance. Your coffee table is more than just a surface. It's a centerpiece that invites connection, conversation, and holiday joy. By blending thoughtful design with festive elements, you'll create a space that feels as special as the season itself. So light those candles, pour some hot chocolate, and let your coffee table be the star of your holiday decor. Happy decorating, and may your home be filled with warmth and elegance this Christmas. Don't forget to subscribe and share your favorite coffee table idea in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're adding your personal touch this season.